You're a beautiful bird. You're so pretty. You're a pretty bird. I love you.
2012, this was the first powered flight of New Shepard's crew capsule, and I believe
I
that
love you. Yeah, your baby squeaks. Baby squeak.
so they actually got some NASA money
Baby
to
squeak.
demonstrate this capability.
Oh,
This would also
baby
demonstrate
squeak.
parachutes, which are designed to
Where's my baby squeak?
and the retro
Where's my
thrusters,
baby?
which is used to soften the
Where's my
landing.
baby
We'll talk
squeaks?
more about that later. But because of the NASA involvement, I think this is why we have this publicly available cross
Oh, he's the baby. Oh, stretch. Okay, stretch. Go ahead. Now puff and stretch. You're so pretty.
If you look at the nozzle of that central orifice,
Oh, big stretch.
control veins that extend out into it. So I think
Big stretchies. You're gonna rest while we watch a big movie? Yeah, I love
I'm not
you.
sure whether they actually had this stuff in there for the test, but you could see the size of the crew couches.
I love you so much.
Cases, it's exactly
I love
what
you.
doing while flying to space is reading a book, right? Now, the second propulsion system was on the spacecraft. The one that's actually used in flight is the reaction
You're so
control
beautiful.
system. There's a few ports that you can see on this.
I rub your beak. I'm the only one who touches this beak.
Gas and you compress
Yeah.
nitrogen,
Yeah.
which is used for additive
Dangerous.
ascent and descent. This is
Sharp objects will bite when owned by T-Rex.
obviously
Who's a T-Rex? Are you a T-Rex? Are you a T-Rex?
upside down when it was falling back. The people inside would fall onto the ceiling, and that would be really bad, and they could get injured very easily. They also use this to put a small rotation on the spacecraft, just for stability, I believe, and also to let people see a panoramic view of the world below them. It's also possible to spin the capsule at a speed which allows experiments in like lunar
You're my boy, and I love you. You're so pretty.
So the final
Yeah.
propulsion system is the one
Pretty
that's used for landing.
bird.
This is mentioned during every